in this video, I want to show you how to use the page block for covers. Now, this is a really nice one that I use to a lot, the covers here. When you create a website, this is typically one of the first items that you're going to come to, because this is when people come on your website. This is like the first thing that they're going to see. So you want to be able to have a cover like this that looks clean. So I'm going to come here and I like this one right here. It's create a stunning website. I'm just going to drag it over. And just from this alone, I've just built a first section of the website. So even if I didn't have anything else on this website, this right here give people enough information that they can see. And you can be able to customize this once again by putting your mouse over it. You can choose the design. You can choose the layout. You can choose the label and click X and click there to show that video. You can delete that there. You can click to edit this and the background, the layout. So this gives you so much options to be able to use. You can change this getting started. Get started, watch the video. You can change the text here. See the video, great video, whatever you want it to say. And you can also choose to open the item that's here with this with that play. So you click on this little open, and then you can choose here the vertical. I'm just going to pause this for a second. So you can choose vertical. The video is going to show in the vertical format. You want to slice it to right or left. Put that back to right. You can choose in a horizontal, and it's going to show up like that with the light box. Or you just keep it at a regular light box. And put your mouse over here. You click to edit. You can choose the background color, the layout, and pretty much anything else that you see on there. And then once you're done, you can either put your mouse here again. And this here is just the code from YouTube, HTML code that you can be able to grab if you want to change that. And you can come here too. You can change the columns. You can clone it. You can be able to add it to the library. There's so much stuff you can do with it. So just kind of play around with it and just tweak different things, add it to the library, delete it, change the background color, change the way that it pops up with the light box, the horizontal, the vertical, and just click on this X right there when you're done. And if I wanted to change this, if I didn't want that picture in the background, click on that, go to the background, and let's say I like gradients. So now I've just changed it to a gradient, or I can change it to a color and choose whatever color that I want for this. I can choose gradient again. So from here to gradients gives you more control. But as you can see, it's really easy for you to edit that section there. And the same thing too, I'm going to delete this one here. And the same thing too, when you go over to the other page block, so you can scroll down and see which one that you like and the type of look that you're going for. So that one with the phone, you can choose the image that you want to go to incorporate there. So I'm going to choose that, add. So now it has that on there and look pretty cool. So I don't want this one. I can also come back here and delete it or customize it and come back here and just kind of go through these and use the one that you think is best fit your website.